Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to download music from YouTube as an MP3 file. In this video, I will show you how to download on a computer and on your mobile phone. If you find this guide useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more videos. Did you know that you can download free copyright-safe music directly from YouTube? Let's get to it. First, open your preferred browser and go to youtube.com. While signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. On the left-hand side of the YouTube Studio dashboard, navigate down the menu and click on Audio Library. This is where YouTube provides a collection of royalty-free music and sound effects. You can browse through the library and listen to different songs by clicking the play button next to each track. To filter the tracks by genre, mood, or artist, use the search and filter bar at the top of the library. Once you find a song you like, hover over it. The download button will appear on the right side of the screen. Click it, and the file will automatically download to your computer as an MP3. You'll see a notification indicating the song has been downloaded. You can now use this MP3 file in your projects. If you are trying to download music from YouTube to your mobile phone, you go to your browser and open YouTube Studio. Follow the procedure we just discussed. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you download audio for you great content. See you on the next one.